We're gonna need to call parents.
I think a great core member is somebody who listens and pays attention to the problems that the community faces and does their best to come up with solutions. They also have to be willing to accept that their solutions might not work and adapt and try new things.
I think anybody who's willing to give their self to the program.
Definitely you need to be dedicated, you need to be motivated. It's you giving back to your community, your environment, the place that you live.
Service is just a way to teach other New Yorkers how to appreciate each other.
Treat this as trash.
Their similarities and also their differences.
You need to be passionate about what you're doing.
Being able to be patient and see how a program develops and having some innovation and creativity of your own.
You need to be open to new experiences.
Somebody who's hungry to find new ways to do things and really be part of the team.
Walk on. Good job.